It's a 2008 Toyota Sienna. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 7, removable second-row captain's chairs, and 148.9 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. It also offers a 6-speaker sound system with a CD player with MP3 capability and more. Engineering features include a 266 horsepower V6 engine and 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive.
Say goodbye to the frost and never leave your car with the heated mirrors. No one will complain about the temperature with the dual zone air conditioning. No matter what mood you're in, you have the music to match it with the CD changer.
Toyota reliability, quality, and engineering excellence make this Sienna an outstanding value. Come on in today and see it for yourself.
Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 330 Woodruff Road in Greenville, South Carolina.